How to fix Instagram Reels not working. Check your network connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, as the error could be caused by your network connection. Even toggle on the airplane mode on and off. Now, open the Instagram app. If your Instagram cannot play the Reels, then check for Instagram server issues. If the network is fine, Instagram's servers could be temporarily down. Sometimes apps like Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat have internal server issues. For this, head over to any web browser and search for DownDetector. From the search results, select the first link. In the site search bar, search for Instagram. Now, you can see a graph with the Instagram statistics. Here you can see if the site is down or up. Now, go back and try to open the Reels. If it is still not playing, then update the Instagram app. Now, go back to the home screen. Open the App Store or Play Store app on your phone. At the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the search bar. In the search bar, search for Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update. Updating the app often resolves these types of issues. After updating, open the app. Now check whether your Reels are loading or not. Here, you can see the Reels are loading. And that's it.